Big arms don't come from biceps alone. If your triceps aren't growing, your arms will never look big. These are the exact exercises that build thicker, stronger triceps, fast. Exercise 1. Bench dips. Bench dips are a great bodyweight exercise to kick off this workout. They target the triceps, shoulders, and chest, while also improving overall upper body strength and posture. To perform this exercise, place both hands on the edge of a flat bench and sit down. Extend your legs forward, bend your elbows, and slowly lower your body in a controlled motion. Push yourself back up to the starting position while maintaining proper form. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 2. Close grip bench press. To build overall arm strength and thicker triceps, the close grip bench press should be part of your routine. This movement targets the triceps, with support from the chest and shoulders. Lie down on a flat bench and grip the barbell slightly narrower than shoulder width. Lower the bar toward your chest under control, then press it back up while keeping tension on the triceps. Complete 3 sets of 8 to 12 representatives, resting about 1 minute between sets. Exercise 3. Rope cable pushdown. This is a classic triceps isolation exercise that helps build strength and improve muscle definition. It's excellent for creating that clean, sharp look in the triceps. Attach a rope to the high pulley, stand facing the machine, and grip the rope with both hands. Keep your knees slightly bent and your back straight. Push the rope down until your arms are fully extended, then slowly return to the starting position while keeping your elbows close to your body. Perform for sets of 10 to 15 representatives with controlled movement. Exercise 4. Seated 2-arm dumbbell overhead extension. To grow your arms faster, it's important to focus heavily on the triceps, especially the long head. This exercise is great for increasing overall arm size. Sit upright on a bench, hold one dumbbell with both hands, and keep your elbows close to your ears. Lower the dumbbell behind your head, then extend your arms upward to return to the starting position with proper form. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 5. Single arm reverse cable pushdown. This movement is similar to the standard cable pushdown but performed one arm at a time using a reverse grip. It helps improve triceps definition and control. Attach a single handle to the cable machine, grab it with an underhand grip, and stand facing the machine. Keep your elbow tight to your side as you push the handle down. Pause briefly at the bottom, then slowly bring it back up. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 representatives per arm. Exercise 6. Cable triceps kickback. The cable triceps kickback is another excellent isolation exercise that delivers a strong pump and enhances muscle detail. Attach a single handle to the low pulley, stand facing the machine, and hold the handle with one hand. Keep your hips and back stable as you extend your arm fully backward. Squeeze the triceps at the end of the movement, then return slowly to the starting position. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 15 representatives on each arm.